Welcome to the channel. So today I'm doing chocolate chip cookies. So this is a recipe from a subscriber to the YouTube cookery channel in America. Margaret, thank you very much for this. A couple of ingredients within this cookie recipe that I haven't used before, so I'm interested to see how it turns out. As usual, full list of ingredients will be given at the end of the video. Let's have a look at those ingredients now and anything else we're going to need for today. Right, so the ingredients for this recipe, I've got 115 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature. I've got 200 grams of sugar, which is made up of 100 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of white granulated sugar. I've got one medium free range egg at room temperature. Going to be using a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 185 grams of plain flour or all-purpose flour. We've got a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch. I'm also going to be using 100 grams of milk chocolate chips. Right, so first job is to cream together the butter and the sugar. So initially I'm going to be using a fork just to break it up into nice small pieces, and then I'm going to be using that electric hand mixer, about 2 or 3 minutes. Right, next thing to do is to add in the egg. And our vanilla extract. Okay, so once we've done that, set the sugar, butter and egg mixture to one side. Take our flour and add in the corn flour or cornstarch. And our baking powder, and just mix all that together. And take our creamed mixture, we just want to fold in this flour just a little bit at a time. And while we're folding in that flour, we can also fold in our chocolate chips. And what we're looking for here is a nice firm cookie dough. Right, so once we've got our cookie dough, take an oven proof tray, line it with a baking sheet or baking paper, bring that back over. Just take a little bit of flour onto your hands, about enough cookie dough just to make sort of a golf ball sized ball. Just roll it in your hands, nice and firm, and place that onto the tray. Make sure when you place the rest of them on, you've got some room around the dough so that they can flatten and expand when they cook. And just repeat this process using flour on your hands where you need to, until you've got rid of all of the dough. Right, so once you've got through that stage, as you can see, I've managed to make 10 cookies from that portion of dough. Really important stage now, get these into the fridge and chilled for about an hour. 5 minutes before you take them out of the fridge, preheat the oven to 165 degrees centigrade, and the cookies will go into that preheated oven for between 15 and 18 minutes, obviously depending on the performance of your cooker. Right, there you go, chocolate chip cookies, USA style, absolutely delicious. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. It's New Year's Eve, so a happy new year to everybody on the Malat YouTube cookery channel, the Malat customers, the Facebook group as well, and Instagram. Your support has been absolutely tremendous. Happy New Year.